In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike for campaign management step by step so you can confidently move around the workspace and find the tools you need. First, open Wrike and head into your campaign management workspace. This is your main hub, where all your campaign-related work will live. Once you're in that space, look toward the top of the screen for the search bar. Click into Search. This is where you can quickly find projects, tasks, and folders without hunting around manually. You may see search in a couple of places, such as a global search at the top and a contextual search in the panel you're working in. Go ahead and click on Search again if needed to make sure the panel is active. When you see any highlighted area in the interface in this walkthrough, that's simply drawing your attention to the part of the screen we're focusing on, so click on that highlighted area to continue. Next, we're going to navigate to Request Forms. Look for the navigation menu on the left and click on Request Forms. Request forms are how your team or stakeholders can submit new work into your campaign management workflow in a structured way. They help standardize the information you collect and prevent important details from being missed. From here, you'll see a More option in the same navigation area. Click on More. This expands additional tools available within Wrike, so you're not overwhelmed by everything at once. Among those options, click on Dashboards. Dashboards are perfect for getting a quick overview of what's going on, what's in progress, what's overdue, and what needs your attention today. Once you're on the Dashboard section, click on More again to reveal additional views. Now select Timesheets. Timesheets let you or your team log time against specific tasks and campaigns. This is especially useful if you need to track effort for reporting or for billing. Inside Timesheets, once again, click on More to open up the rest of the navigation. Next, choose Reports. Reports are where you can turn all of your work data into insights. After Reports loads, click on More, and if you see another More menu within that view, click it as well. The highlighted areas in this part of the interface will guide you to the exact report controls we're using. You'll then see options related to campaign management. Click on Campaign Management, and when you see it again in the context of reports or folders, click it a second time. This ensures you're specifically viewing reports and data tied to your campaign workspace. From there, you'll be taken into a table view for the Campaign Management folder. In this table, you'll notice several highlighted elements: filters, columns, views, or specific campaign rows. As each highlight appears, click on it. These highlights walk you through adjusting what data you see, refining your view, and focusing on the most relevant campaign information. By the end of these clicks, you'll have moved from the general Wrike workspace through Search, Request Forms, Dashboards, Timesheets, and into detailed campaign reports and tables, giving you a clear, organized way to manage and analyze your campaigns inside Wrike.